Hello, welcome to Shenzhen Horse Industry Company Limited. We are 10 years dash camera manufacturer with CE Rules FCC certificate. Fast shopping service. Drop shopping service is available. Now we'd like to introduce you one of our hot selling products, H8 mirror dash camera. Now we will show you more details. This is the appearance of our product. This rear-view mirror camera is a 4-signal streaming media with a large 12-inch IPS touch signal and 2 lenses. Front 4K 2116p and reverse 2K 1440p version. Here is highest resolution for dash cam. It's also with Wi-Fi function. You can connect mobile phone and control it with AI voice control. You don't need to equipped with a 1017-degree with angle UHD 4K 2816 and 2160 lens. The camera can easily monitor 3 lens. This camera has no blind suppose enjoy your journey and achieve accurate and detailed capture. Front dash camera maintains up to 2116 resolution. Rear dash camera contains up to 1440p resolution. Download the road camera app and connect the dash camera via Wi-Fi to viewing. Rolling time footage or videos. Downloading videos to your phone easily and sharing your trip with friends. Also can get instant control of your dash cam setting. GPS function. GPS majorly optional accurately locks your vehicle location, speed, latitude, and longitude. Keep monitor when you are away. The built-in engine sensor can automatically detect sudden shocks or collisions and will start recording so that you can capture any incident while parked. Voice control for hands-free. Goods in stock for faster shopping. Contact us now if you have interested. See you next time. Goodbye.